cage. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Lost in that soldier race. Don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now, but you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that new. I'm about to drop in the few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth.
Welcome, it's Mark Hardy and Can I Be Real? And we're presenting to you today Real Goals here at Indy Reads Books on Mass Ave. Thank you to everybody who came out and showed support and brought their kids here. Thank you for everybody who wanted to come today. Because like I said, it's all about the youth today. We're learning how to create, implement, and execute personal, financial, and professional goals so that our kids are headed on the right path and have this structured plan to succeed. So thank you. Please be on the lookout for any more Can I Be Real events and announcements. We're not stopping. Thank you.
So I don't do it.